I know that many of you know how to check the internet connection status and show a message if the user is not connected to the internet, but probably the way you do it is that you check connection on every page of the application. But this is a wrong method. So, what is the right way? The right way is to check the connection status globally. The first thing we need to do is to add the two packages Connectivity Plus and GetX to the project. We will use the GetX package to display the warning of not connecting to the internet. Therefore, we create a folder named Controller, then inside it we create a file named Network Controller. Now here we first create a class called Network Controller that extends GetX Controller. Then we define an instance of the Connectivity class. The Connectivity class is located in the Connectivity Plus package. By using this class, we can check the connection status. In GetX Controller, we can use a function called onInit which works exactly like initState. It is called immediately after the widget is allocated memory. So here, we can put the operations that need to be executed first. Now we can listen to the connection status using the onConnectivityChanged method in Connectivity. Here we can pass a function that has a parameter of type connectivity_result. So, we define a function called updateConnectionStatus which has a parameter of type connectivity_result. Now we pass this function to listen. Now we check here. If the connectivity is none, we can show a snack bar. To display a snack bar or dialog, we can use the GetX package, which does not need a context. Now we set the message we want to show to the user here and also set other things related to snack bar decoration. The only thing you should pay attention to here is that because the snack bar disappears after a while, we have to set its duration to 1 day so that the message will be displayed until the user connects to the internet. And now if the user connects to the internet, we have to make the snack bar disappear. For this we check an else if the snack bar is open. We make it disappear using get.closeCurrentSnackBar. We are done here. Now we create a file called dependency injection and define a class, and then inside the class we define a static method called init, and inside this method using get.put we call network controller class and inject it. Now in main, after runapp we call the init function. Also we should use getMaterialApp instead of MaterialApp. GetMaterialApp is necessary for routes, snack bars, dialogues, and high-level API related to routes and absence of context. For testing, I created two pages named Page 1 and Page 2. I run the app. Then I turn off Wi-Fi. We see that the warning is displayed. And now we turn on Wi-Fi again and we see that the warning disappears. Now I do this again on Page 2 and we see that it works correctly and checks the internet status globally in the application. And make sure hit the subscribe button to get next video.